Dear students, in the previous lesson we have learnt about diffusion process, where we have studied how cell membrane through diffusion process transport gas and water molecules in and out of the cell. However, diffusion is not the only process that takes place. There are other methods also like active transport and osmosis. In this lesson, our main concern will be on osmosis. Let's begin. We all have seen raisins to swell up when immersed in water for some time. Any idea how this magic works? Well, it is simply the process of osmosis which results in swelling of these raisins. In this process, the water from the surrounding medium enters the cells of raisins, help them to swell. So we can define osmosis as a process in which water moves from higher water concentration to lower water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. The interesting fact here is that the movement of water is affected by the amount of substance dissolved in it. Now what does that mean exactly? Let's take 3 containers of salt solution with different concentration in each. Now let's add few red blood cells in each of these containers. After some time we observed the first set of cells are shrinked. The second set of cells are just the same, whereas the third set of cells are seen to be swollen or bulged. Any idea why this happened? Let's understand this. In the first case, the water concentration in the surrounding area was less as compared to the cells placed in it. In other words, salt content of the solution is more and the solution is a concentrated one. This is why water molecules move from inside the cells to the outside solution as the concentration of water was higher within the cells. Hence the cells started shrinking. This kind of solution is called hypertonic solution, that is the solution with higher salt concentration. Let's have a look in the second case. Here, the level of the salt and the water seems to be the same on either side of the cell membrane. Therefore, there was an equilibrium in the movement of the water. Now, what do we understand by this? It means the movement of water is same in either directions. As a result, the size of the cell remained same and did not change. Now, do you know what type of solution is this? It is called isotonic solution. The solutions are isotonic when the concentration of water is same on either side of the semi-permeable membrane. Now let's focus on the third set of cells. In this case, the cells are surrounded by dilute solution, that is solution with higher concentration. So salt dissolved is less and the water contained is higher. So water molecules move inside the cells, resulting in swelling up of the cells. Such a solution is called hypotonic solution. So depending upon the concentration of the solution and the type of cells, the cell will either shrink, swell up or remain just the same. Same thing occurs in case of raisins. Similarly, movement of molecules across the plasma membrane is also possible due to the same process called osmosis. I hope by now you have understood what exactly happens in the process of osmosis. In the next lesson, we are going to study about reverse osmosis. Thank you.